If bypass ratio of subsonic non-afterburning engine is 1.5, then what will be the value of maximum thrust specific fuel consumption? A 0.556, B 0.12, C 0.0789, D 0.092. The correct answer is 0.556. Evaluate required scale factor if ratio of weight of the rubber engine and the actual selected engine is 0.8. A 0.8164, B 0.012, C 6.2, D 1. The correct answer is 0.8164. Diameter of rubber engine is 94 inch and required scale factor is 0.7. Then what will be the actual diameter of selected engine? A 112.35 inches, B 150 inches, C 200 inches, D 50 in. The correct answer is 112.35 in. A turbofan engine is to be scaled in order to have our desired engine characteristics. If length of the existing engine selected is 2.5 unit and required scale factor is 0.8, then evaluate approximate length of our engine. A 2.28 unit, B 5.6 unit, C 10 unit, D 15 unit. The correct answer is 2.28 unit. Subsonic non-afterburning engine has takeoff thrust of 8,000 Newton and is operating with BPR of 1.2. Then what will be the approximate value of thrust at cruise? A 2001.5 unit, B 1001.5 unit, C 500 unit, D 100 unit. The correct answer is 2001.5 unit. Subsonic non-afterburning engine needs to be designed based on following data. Takeoff thrust is 15,000 N and bypass ratio is 1.2. Find the weight of this engine. Consider first order statistical jet engine model. A 3123 unit, B 325 unit, C 445.5 unit, D 560.59 unit. The correct answer is 3123 unit. Engine which can be estimated through statistical jet engine model has bypass ratio of 1.2 and maximum thrust at takeoff is 8,000 Newton. Then what should be the design diameter for this engine? Consider a subsonic non-afterburning engine. A 36.87 unit, B 6.19 unit, C 7.2 unit, D 58.93 unit. The correct answer is 36.87 unit. Based on first order statistical jet engine model, we have been given a task to design a subsonic non-afterburning engine which is operating at maximum Mach number of 0.7. Evaluate the approximate length required to build this engine. Given thrust at takeoff is 9,600 unit. A 81 unit, B 10 unit, C 20 unit, D 22 unit. The correct answer is 81 unit. Which of the following is an advantage of nose inlet? A clean airflow, B unclean airflow, C very long internal duct, D swirled flow always. The correct answer is clean airflow. Chin inlet suffers from A foreign object ingestion problem, B shorter duct length, C duct length is shorter than the nose inlet, D typically good at high AOA. The correct answer is foreign object ingestion problem. What do you mean by scale factor in terms of rubber engine? A ratio of thrust required by rubber engine to the actual thrust from selected existing engine. B lift to drag ratio, C. Thrust coefficient to drag coefficient. D. Thrust required to thrust available. The correct answer is ratio of thrust required by rubber engine to the actual thrust from selected existing engine. Large cowl lip radius will produce A. Shock separated flow outside of the inlet. B. Shock attached flow. C. High lifting tendency always. D. Expansion fan. The correct answer is shock separated flow outside of the inlet. Inlet location will not affect engine performance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.